Hey, Jason from X-Fanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe dock feature that removes the Explore feature completely from Google Workspace to prevent your students from searching up inappropriate content. Google gives you the ability to search images and the web with the Explore feature in Docs and Slides. Though it is a convenient feature overall, it's not perfectly safe, and students can easily find contents unintended and harmful. Even if safe search is enforced, inappropriate images or age-restricted websites still pop up in front of students' eyes. What SafeDock does is that it both removes the Explore button at the bottom right of the screen and the selection of it in the toolbar above. SafeDock also removes the Explore feature that recommends you links that could be inappropriate for students. However, the Explore feature in Sheets does not expose the internet to students and instead gives insights for data within the sheet. It can analyze data, add alternating color backgrounds automatically, get charts or analysis, etc. None of these will cross the fence. Therefore, SafeDock leaves it out. This blocking Explore feature is managed by the policy Enable Explore. To enforce the blocking, please either remove the policy from the policy for extensions or explicitly set its value to false. If you have yet to install SafeDock, please get a 30 days trial.